So right now we're in one of the more common unit types in the building. They call it a studio. Excuse me. And then you can sort of see where we're at in the stage of construction. They're hanging sheetrock. They're actually taping, mudding, and then they'll soon start sanding the sheetrock. In this unit in particular, this bar light that you see up here was not part of the original design. It was a wall that was going all the way up to the ceiling, and then after doing some walks with the owner and the architect, they decided, hey, let's try to bring some light into this bedroom. So they made this modification, and we were able to make these changes before we got too far in the construction process.
We're seeing a lot of drywall work being done, and that's an area that's advancing with robotics. You see potential for that, or all this that you see going on?
You know, I think, yes, I probably could see some sort of helping even moving the material around, because the boards of drywall are just a problem. Even the installation process. However, right now, all I've seen is manpower. So it's the crew sizes from anywhere from like 18 to 20, and then they're all working on the floor, and then they all have their specific tasks. Like some might just be hanging, some might be just taping, and then some might be sanding.